Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make eggs, covering several popular methods. We'll start with scrambled eggs, focusing on low heat and constant stirring for a creamy result. Next, we'll move to omelets, showing you how to incorporate fillings like cheese and vegetables for a delicious meal. Finally, I'll guide you through frying an egg to achieve that perfect balance of a firm white and a soft, flowing yolk. Let's get cooking. For creamy scrambled eggs, whisk 2 to 3 eggs with a splash of milk or cream, about 1 tablespoon. Cook them over medium-low heat, stirring constantly until they reach your desired consistency, usually 3 to 5 minutes. For a fluffy omelet, pour the whisked eggs into a hot, buttered pan. Let them set for 1 to 2 minutes, then add your favorite fillings like cheese or spinach before folding. It's simple and delicious. To make perfect fried eggs, heat a non-stick pan with about 1 teaspoon of butter or oil over medium heat. Crack an egg directly into the pan and cook for 2 to 3 minutes for a runny yolk or longer for a firmer one. For poached eggs, bring a pot of water to a gentle simmer and add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Carefully crack an egg into the water and cook for 3 to 4 minutes until the white is set and the yolk is still soft. Enjoy! For the best results, always use the freshest eggs you can find. They hold their shape better and taste superior. Remember to season your eggs generously with salt and pepper right after cooking to enhance their natural flavors. And speaking of valuable resources, if you're looking to improve your financial well-being, there's a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money. Check the description below for a link to that book, along with other helpful deals and resources. Happy cooking!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.